Stop right there, Glam Girl. Are you ready to redefine what it means to be fit and fabulous? What if I told you your next level glow-up starts on the mat? Imagine unlocking a new level of confidence and radiance all through the power of yoga. Today, I'm spilling all the secrets, the insider tips that will transform your body and boost your spirit, to getting sculpted, stunning, and totally unstoppable. We're talking about a total transformation inside and out, with a full-body yoga routine that's as glamorous as you are. This isn't just about exercise, it's about embracing your inner goddess. Ready to shine? Let's move! It's time to unleash your potential and sculpt the body of your dreams. Chapter 1. The Glam Warm-Up. Get ready to ignite your inner fire with this essential first step. We're not just easing in, we're waking up every muscle, every curve. Prepare to feel the energy surge through your body as we activate those dormant muscles. Start with gentle neck rolls, let your hair fall back, and feel your posture lengthen. Release any tension you're holding in your neck and shoulders, allowing your spine to align. Next, sweep those arms overhead. Think runway model, but make it yoga. Reach for the sky, elongating your torso and opening up your chest. Feel the stretch, a couple of deep breaths, and girl, you're glowing already. Inhale confidence, exhale doubt. Chapter 2. Stunning shoulders and arms. Time to sculpt those arms and shoulders into works of art. Strike a plank and hold. Channel your inner queen. Engage your core, keep your back straight, and feel the power radiating from within. Flow into side planks for those sculpted arms. Feel the burn as you define those muscles. And add a little sass with hip dips. Work those obliques and feel the confidence surge. You're not just strong, you're sensational. Embrace your power, own your strength, and radiate confidence. Chapter 3. Glamorous Core Blast. Get ready to ignite your core and unleash your inner strength. Time to work that waist. Let's cinch that waist and define those abs. Drop into boat pose and let your abs do the talking. Engage your core, find your balance, and feel the power of your abs. Twist side to side like you're turning heads at a party. Feel the burn as you sculpt your obliques and improve your flexibility. Feel that fire? That's your confidence building. Embrace the heat, embrace the challenge, and embrace your inner power. Chapter 4. Legs for days. Get ready to sculpt those legs and unleash your inner goddess. Lunge, stretch, and rise up strong. Feel the burn as you tone your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Warrior pose is your best friend. It will help you feel grounded and powerful. Ground your feet, open your chest, and stand like you own the room. Radiate confidence and embrace your inner strength. Flow through goddess pose and let your energy sparkle all the way to your toes. Feel the power surge through your legs as you embrace your inner goddess. Chapter 5. Chill but make it chic. Time to unwind, relax, and rejuvenate your body and mind. Wind down in child's pose, release any remaining tension, and find your inner peace, feeling every breath fill you with fresh, glamorous energy. Inhale peace, exhale stress, and embrace the present moment. Close your eyes, picture your future self, confident, radiant, unstoppable. Visualize your success, believe in your potential, and manifest your dreams. You did it! Congratulations, Glam Girl! You've completed your glamorous yoga routine. Sculpted, stunning, and ready to shine all day long. Embrace your newfound confidence and radiate your inner beauty. Remember, glamour isn't just about looks. It's that fierce, fabulous energy you bring to everything you do. Let your inner light shine and inspire those around you. So hit that like, share with your Glam Squad, and subscribe for more glow-up secrets. Let's spread the love and empower women everywhere. I'll see you on the mat, superstar. Keep shining, keep glowing, and keep embracing your inner goddess. Top 10 YZ.